Are you tired of unhealthy cookware? Meet the SENSARTE Ceramic Pots and Pans Set. This 14-piece non-stick kitchen cookware promotes healthy cooking with non-toxic materials. The SENSARTE set is SGS approved and free from toxic substances like PTFE, PFAS, PFOA, and lead. This means no harmful chemicals leaching into your food, ensuring safety for your family. What makes this cookware stand out? Its naturally non-stick ceramic surface. This feature not only provides excellent food release but also requires less oil during cooking. Enjoy a low-fat diet without compromising flavor. This set includes everything you need: 2 frying pans, a sauté pan with a lid, a casserole with a lid, a saucepan with a lid, and utensils. Plus, with 4 pot protectors, your pots and pans remain in excellent condition. Worried about stovetop compatibility? Don't be. The durable, 4.8mm thick stainless steel bottom makes it induction compatible. The die-cast aluminum heats up quickly, ensuring even cooking every time. Cleanup is easy. Just wipe with a paper towel or rinse with water. For best results, hand washing is recommended. Comfort matters too. The stay-cool wood grain Bakelite handle ensures safe handling, while the explosion-proof glass lid lets you monitor your cooking without splashing. Available now at a limited-time deal of only $79.98, down from the list price of $114.99. Join over 5,000 satisfied customers who have purchased this set recently. Don't miss out on fast delivery to all 50 U.S. states. Buy today, and enjoy your new healthy cooking experience. Support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your engagement helps us bring more great content every week. Follow the product link in the description below. If you purchase through these links, we earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you for your support.